Hello everyone. Now let's discuss about ball milling method. Ball milling method is a top-down method. It is a top-down method. Here, materials first you need a steel drum. Big steel drum you need it. And you need powder. Powder of 20 micrometer. Next, you need balls. Small and heavy balls. These balls are made of small iron, hardened steel, tungsten carbide, or silicon carbide. So these balls are made of small iron, hardened steel, tungsten carbide or silicon carbide balls. So it is small and heavy balls, and motor will be there in this. Here one motor is connected so that it will rotate. When it will rotate, as the small and heavy balls will collide, in between powder will be there. Powder of 20 micrometer will be there in between. This powder of 20 micrometer will be there in between this balls collision. Means when two balls are collided, in between that 20 micrometer size the powder will be there, it is crushed. It is crushed into small pieces, into small nanoparticle. As this powder is crushed into nanoparticle, so nanoparticle is made. So this is ball milling method. The main advantage of the by the way, here the ratio of the balls and this powder will be 2:1 ratio. Means double the size of balls you need, okay, than this particle. And here it is known as mechanical pressure take place. And here the advantages are, first, you don't need heavy equipments. No heavy equipments are required. It is easy to understand to a layman. No technical knowledge is required to make this, and it can be done in laboratory. Disadvantages, we can get only limited amount of nanoparticles. Here the product means when that powder is crushed in between two small and heavy balls, then you'll get nanoparticles, right? Then limited amount of nanoparticles you will get, but wastage will be very high, and it is more time consuming. Actually, in some books it is 24 to 48 hours. In source material, it is given as 100 to 150 hours are needed to make this. So, whatever it is time consuming, can't be used commercially because your wastage is more than nanoparticles, right? Production wastage is more and more time consuming. So, it can't be used commercially. And all nanoparticles which we will get as a product are not of same size. Because here it happens manually, right? So this crushing happens manually. So here the size of the nanoparticle depends on the speed of the rotation. Based on the speed, based on the crushing, the size of the nanoparticle is determined. So all nanoparticles are not of same size. So this is the disadvantage. Thank you.